Okay, hello guys, good afternoon. You're welcome to Essential with Miss Ebenezer. Okay, so what are we learning today? Today class we are learning about adjective. Now, not only adjective is actually part of speech and it's under grammar. Someone once asked me that what does students in diaspora actually need grammar for? Grammar is deeper than what you're saying, so we have to learn how to use them properly. All right, so here we have the adjective, we have the comparative and superlative. Okay, so look at the first word we have here. You can call them the adjective rest because they're actually adjective. But before we go there, I would like to tell you the meaning of adjective now. An adjective, it's a word that we actually use to modify. We use it to give more information. Use it to modify words like now, pronoun. We use it to modify now, pronoun. That is what an adjective does. So it modifies and it's also what describe. It modifies and it describes. That's the key word that you're gonna have to know there. So here are the adjective words that I have on the board here. I have easy, quick, happy, thin. I have beautiful, intelligent. We have good. We have old, little, up, much, far, in, out. We have run, we have wrong, we have secular, we have full, and we have empty. Now let's quickly look at the what? The comparative. For the comparative of easy, it's easier. Now when you have word that ends with Y, what do we do to them? We change the Y to I. Because normally on the singular and plural, Y you change to I before you had any other suffixes that you want to add to it. You first change the Y to I. That's the rule pertaining plural, singular and plural. Now, so I guess if like you're talking about it here now, it's only singular word. So okay, that as I was saying, comparative it's comparison between two word. Yeah, that is why we have to change the word that ends with Y to I first before we add the suffix of our er. And when you get to superlative two, you do the same thing. Change the Y to I before you add the suffix word of est. Yeah, this actually category under the suffix. We have previous, we have suffix. Previous are word that comes before your the root word, while suffix are word that comes after, right after the root word. All right, so let's go quickly to the next one. Here we have quick, quicker, quickest. Then we have happy, happier. The same thing, the same rules that apply to easier and easiest apply to happier and happiest. Okay, then we have thin. Now, take the word thin here. If you want to compare two things together, and you're using the word thin, once you get to the comparative, this n will become double. You have n, so it's turned to what? Thinner. Then here we have thinnest. All right, so we have beautiful. Yeah, these are the kind of comparative that change a level. We actually use the word more, most for comparative we use more, for superlative we use most. All right, so beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, good, better, best. There's a song I actually taught my students while doing this particular topic, so you too can learn it along with me. Good, better, best. I will never rest until my good is better. My best. Again, good, best. I will never rest until my good is better. I'm a better best. I learned that far way back from primary school. Okay, so here we have old. For old, we have older, we have elder, we have oldest, we have eldest. Hello, guys. When do you get to know that good is not gooder? Goodest. Woo! That is good, better, best. Woo! Chop chop. Okay. Get that. Get that. Get that. Get that. See you next time in class. My name is Miss Ebenezer. Chop chop.